Hello friends, my name is Mr. Mukul Barwant, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Rayat Shikshan Samstha, RBNB College, Sri Rampur. Today welcome to all of you in a practical session of a seed science. Let's see in MSc part second, Botany practical paper second. The practical paper second, it is totally based on the practical paper number 4, that are the seed science. That is the course number BODT 234. Okay, in this today's practical, that are the study of sampling and the dividing instrument. In that, first I will explain what is the sampling and what is the dividing instrument and what is the use of that instrument. Let's see. First, sampling. Sampling, it is nothing but it is a procedure to obtain selected number of individual to get a proper quality of a seed. That is known as a sampling. Sampling are done by the different purposes. That are the number of type of sample. There are generally sampling are done by the 5 types of sample. First, it is a primary sample. Primary sample, it is nothing but the selection of a seed from the seed lot. That is known as a primary sample. Primary sample can be done by the farmer or the grower. Then next, it is a composite type of sampling. Composite type of sampling, it is nothing but the different types of primary sample get together to form a composite type of a sampling. Next, it is a submitted type of a sampling. What is the submitted type of sampling? When composite sample are prepared, the small amount of a seed that can be sent to the laboratory or the testing agency, that is known as a submitted sampling. And the last one, that is known as a working sample. Working sample, there are the different quality tests are performed on that seed. That is known as a testing of a seed. For such tests, such as the moisture test, germination test, that test some seed sample are used. That is known as a working sample. In this way, sample are prepared by the step. That is known as a sample and the sampling. The next type, that is the dividing. Dividing, it is a type of a sampling in which we can seed mix together and divide the number of a small unit of a working sampling. That is known as a dividing sampling. That are the two concepts we are going to see in this practical. That are the sampling and the dividing instrument. There are number of sampling methods nowadays are using in a market as well as a industry, such as triers. Sampling, in ancient time sample can taken by the hand, but nowadays advanced techniques are used. First techniques or the first point, that are the trier. Trier, it is nothing but it is a long stick like instrument. With the help of that, we can take a sample from that bag or the seed lot. That are the trier, different types. When I explaining that, I will explain in a later which are the types of a trier. In dividing instrument, there are also 3 types of a dividing instrument. First, that is known as a Boyner divider. Second, that is known as gamete divider. And the third, that is known as a soil type of a divider. I will say this instrument for your class or your class having the only demonstration purpose. I will see in a figure. Let's start with the sampling instrument. I have explained there are the number of instrument used in a sampling. That are the first instrument, that are the trier. Trier, it is an instrument taking the sample from the bags as well as a seed lot. Trier are the different types. First type of trier, that is known as a knob trier. The knob trier, the name are given on the basis of the scientist. Professor Dr. Frederick Knob has discovered this type of instrument. For that purpose, his honor of this instrument give his name. That is known as a knob trier. It is made up of a steel or the any metal. It having the 3 parts. First part, that is known as a pointed tips. That is known as a inserting tips. Then next part, that is known as the slots, and the another parts, that is known as the opening slot. These 3 parts of a trier, that is known as a knob trier. It can be used to taking the sample by the horizontally as well as vertically in back. Vertically, for the vertically inserting a bag, there is a pointed tips through which that can be insert in a bag. After the inserting bag, the seed collect in that panel, that is known as slots. After the collecting seed in that panels, the opening slot is present. When we seed are collected in this panel, through that opening panel, seed sample are collected by the vertically. We take a vertically, but we are try to the horizontally. Horizontally, in the center of a bag, we can insert center of bag, insert the instrument center in bag. The seed collect in that panel, and the another side close with the help of a hand. After that, seed are collecting in that panels. Remove that instrument and collect in another panel. In this way, knob trier are useful to taking the seed sample both horizontally as well as vertically. That is known as a knob trier. The next type of a trier, that is known as a bin trier. It is a simple type of trier, bin trier. The name are given on the basis of the application. It is usually useful for the taking the sample from the container. It is made up of two parts. First part, it is known as a tube, and the second part, it is known as a sluice. It is useful for the taking the sample more amount. For that purpose, there are the number of slot on the number of slot in the sluice as well as tubes. First of all, there are the three parts. First, the tip, then slots, then handle. There are the three parts of the tubes. First, tip, slots and handles, and it is known as a sluice. It is simply done when we are taking the sample. Sluice and tube arranged in this manner, all slots become closed. That opening is known as slots. Tube and sluice are arranged in that manner that all slots become closed. After the closing of all slots, that trier should be inserted in a bag. After the inserting bag, with the help of a handle, rotate in a 180 degrees Celsius. That slot become open. After the collecting the seed in that trier, again rotate in a 180 degrees Celsius, and the all slot become closed, and the come outside. That trier come outside of bag, and the collecting panel again rotate in a 180 degrees Celsius, through which that seed are collected. It is known as a bin trier. Okay. Next type of trier, that is known as a sleeve trier. It is also known as a stick trier. Out of three tires, it is the longest trier. It is a look like a stick. For that purpose, it is also known as a stick trier. In a bin trier and the stick trier, there is one more difference. The bin trier having 6 to 9 slots, but in a sleeve triers, they are having the 10 to 16 slots. It is useful to taking the sample more quantity. For example, 10 gram to the 100 gram sample we can take with the help of this trier. Sleeve trier or the stick type of a trier. Mechanism is same. Sleeve and the tube. Tube, it is made up of three parts: slots, tip and the handles. And the sleeve, it is nothing but the outer covering of a trier. These are the three instruments of a sampling. Okay, that are the sampling instrument. Next, that is a dividing instrument. Dividing instrument, it is useful to taking the sufficient amount of a mixing and the well quantity of a seed. There is the first dividing instrument, that is known as a Boyner divider. It is also name given on the basis of the discovery of this instrument, that is known as a Boyner, name of a scientist. First, let's see the mechanism how seed can be divided. In that first, there is a upper part that is known as a hopper. In hopper, seed can be added. Next part, that is known as a hole. Hole is a present to entry of a seed into another or the lower part, that is known as a wall. After the losing the wall, all seed comes lower side. Then next it is a cone. funnel like structure below the wall. Then next is the ducts, outer funnel and inner funnel, that are the characters or the parts are present, that are the mostly funnel and the inner funnel that works on the basis of the 38 panel structure, and that work on the basis of the gravitational force. Gravitational force, it is nothing but the when any object drop from the upper side, it goes directly to the downward side, but in that panel or in that funnel there are the ducts are present. Ducts means the 38 panel structure are present. Seed are dropping on the 38 panels, that seed can be mixed and again collected into base of the 2 panels, that is known as a collecting pans. In this way these instruments are useful to mixing and the dividing of a sample, that is known as a Boyner seed divider. Next type of a divider, that is known as a gamete divider. Gamete divider, it works on the principle of a centrifugation. It is a work on the basis of a supply of electricity. First, it is a made up of 3 parts. First, that is a hopper, then walls and the mixing chamber, and the last, that is a body. Wall mixing chamber, it is a made up of a steel or the brass metal, and the body, it is nothing but there is a supply unit or the conductor is fitted that works on the electrical energy is converted into centrifugal energy or the rotational energy. Let's see how that are working. In the panels or the hopper, we have to put the seed. After the putting the seed, supply of electricity, electrical current or the electric supply is converted into rotation. Inside there is rubber. It is like a fan like structure. When seed falls on that rubber, there is a fan are the rotating. That means a seed are the come back in that rotation. That means a rotation energy are the created. In this way, that working of that is known as a gamete divider. There is a last type of instrument, that is known as a soil trier. It is also made up of 3 parts. First part, that is known as a feeding chamber. Next, mixing chamber and the collecting chamber. Feeding chamber, it is nothing but there is a 12 compartment are present through which a seed can be divided into 12 compartment. That is known as a feeding chamber. Beside that, the feeding chamber, there are the mixing chamber. On both sides, right as well as left side, there are the 8 opening. But that opening, it is in a alternate direction. For example, in a right side, first opening is open, or in the left side, that first opening will be closed. In that manner, that are the alternate. First right side is open, first left side will be closed. After that, mixing chamber, that 12 chamber feeding 12 chamber enters into the alternate opening. After the alternate opening, it collect in the pan at the base, that is known as a sample collector. In this way, that are the soil type of a divider. That means a soil type, its name are given because the soil particle are the separated. This is today's practical, that is the dividing and the sampling instrument.